You are given all three sides of a triangle. But none of the angles are given. Most students get stuck here. Should you use SSS? Should you use the law of sines? No. In this video, you will learn the exact method for solving any SSS triangle using the law of cosines. And by the end, you will be able to solve these problems step by step without getting confused. Let's begin. SSS means side, side, side. That means all three sides of the triangle are known. For example, side A equals 5, side B equals 8, and side C equals 10. But the angles are missing. When all three sides are given, the main tool we use is the law of cosines. These formulas help us find angles when the three sides are known. Notice something important. Angle C is paired with side C, angle B is paired with side B, angle A is paired with side A. That matching is very important. Many students mix up the letters and get the wrong answer. Let us solve this triangle. Find angle C. Substitute the values. 10 squared equals 5 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 5 times 8 times cosine of angle C. Simplify each part. 10 squared is 100, 5 squared is 25, 8 squared is 64, and 2 times 5 times 8 is 80. So we have 100 equals 25 plus 64 minus 80 times cosine of angle C. Since 25 plus 64 is 89, 100 equals 89 minus 80 times cosine of C. Subtract 89 from both sides of the equation. 100 minus 89 equals 11, and 89 minus 89 equals 0. So we have 11 equals negative 80 times cosine of C. Now divide both sides by negative 80. Cosine of C equals 11 divided by negative 80, which is equal to negative 0.1375. Next, take the inverse cosine. Angle C equals inverse cosine of negative 0.1375. Angle C is approximately equal to 97.9 degrees. Quick recap. When all three sides are known, use the law of cosines. Match the angle with its opposite side. Substitute carefully. Simplify step by step. Then use inverse cosine to find the angle. That is the complete process for solving SSS triangles. Try solving another SSS triangle on your own. And remember, the more triangles you solve, the easier the law of cosines becomes. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.